Next, go to the format cell. Guys, did you see these values?
Mm,
Yes.
This
yeah,
is
sir.
called, let me put it this way. This is called, there are 14 products. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
It has been sold out across these are the states. These are the areas or cities. Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Hyderabad. How many units has been sold out? These many units. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
These units into 1000 comma separator. You select this cell, right click, do a format cell, make it number, has a 1000 comma separator with 0 decimal values. This is what? These are the price. When you multiply these units to price, you get the total sales. Now I want to show my sales. Right click on this saying format cell. I want to format this by currency of Indian currency with 0 decimal values. Is it coming, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When I
Yes, sir.
compare Bangalore versus Bhubaneswar sales comparison, so I show them into percentage. Does it come in percentage format? No. I have to write format cell, make it to a percentage format. Are you getting this, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Right. So this is how, guys, we understood how to go for using format cell. And why do we go for format cell? Because each cell value can be formatted by doing format cell into these other parts. It can be number format. Under number, you have general, you have number, currency, accounting date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, special, custom. These are the number format. Under alignment, these are the alignments you have. We'll talk about these other things one by one. Now, the next question is coming to you, date format. So guys, in Excel, if we write today, we
Today.
get current date. Can you see this?
Yes.
Now I say equal sign, get the value from here. It is taking this value here. Again, I said equal sign, get the value from here. Again, I said equal sign, get the value from here. Again, I said equal sign, get the value from here. Guys, first of all, understand your date format. In which format it is coming?
Month,
Year.
year. Date, month, year.
DD,
It
DDMM,
is
DDMM Tata Baba.
right. We can change the date format, saying format cell to a date format as this way. We can read this way also.
Yes.
We can also read the date format as this way. We can read this way also. We
Mhm.
can read the date format as this way. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can read the date format as a custom format as called YYYY hyphen MM. Is it coming?
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
So these are what? These are the different date formats. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.